I've been involved in a lot of hair transplant surgeries for a very long time. And at some point I decided to really stop doing them because it just overwhelmed the practice. But recently, as of the past 2 years, I've gotten back into the idea of what could I do to help you with receding hairlines, loss of hair, and this is for men and women. So what we've gotten into is something called PRP. And what it does is it actually can restore your own body's ability to grow hair. And did you know that it's something we do in the office while you're waiting? It literally will take about 10 to 15 minutes to do. We access a vein, draw a little bit of blood, and then we spin it down in a special centrifuge. And then that PRP, this plasma that we get out, we're able to inject into various areas of the scalp. And what that does is it'll stimulate your own body's growth factors to allow healthy scalp to start growing hairs again. Now, for some of you that may be completely bald, it's really not going to work because it wouldn't be able to stimulate something that's not already there and able to be re-stimulated. But for a lot of you that have spoken to me about this, you tell me that there are a lot of very fine hairs that you may see in a receding hairline area or in the crown, or you may have noticed after starting a medication that a lot of your hair is starting to get thinner and it just doesn't feel as robust as it used to be. That's the perfect indication to use this PRP for hair restoration. So the next time you're in the office, or if you have information, you want to just know more about it, info@daviscps.com.